Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Kev-In-Thailand still in Spain, never mind. Back next week, no worries. But today, it's a bit blustery, windy. I don't know if it's going to affect the wind noise on the camera. I do have a mini map on there, but we'll see how it goes. I'm trying my hardest. Today we're going to go over to Agua Amarga. It's 30 kilometres from here, straight down. We're at the end of Mahaka, the Hotel Bestindalo at the end there. These are all the British bars, restaurants, more the tourist area this end. Beautiful white beach. As you can see, the winds, it's blustery. So we're going to go out this way, over the mountain, along the mountain road. I'm going to show you. They call it James Bond Road, and you'll see why. Down through, it's 30 kilometres, Agua Amarga, where they filmed at Sexy Beast with Ray Winston, Ben Kingsley. Show you the little village. It's very small but very beautiful. Worth the trip. Well, you'll have to be, I wouldn't be going. So I'll show you a bit of the road as we're going over. We'll stop off, have a quick look. See you on the way. Now I know it's blustery, I'm sure it is. This here is the road over the mountain, and over this side will be probably even more blustery. That's where the road goes round and winds down along the coast. And that is why we call it James Bond Road. Right, let's box on. I'll show you a little bit of the road round as we're sweeping round while we're driving. Oh, let's get on. So if you're coming out and you're driving along this road, try not to be holding a camera, and be very careful. I'm a very experienced driver and an idiot, so there you go. But this is the James Bond Road, they call it. Anyway, that's enough of that. Let's get to Agua Amarga. So this is Agua Amarga, and that villa up there, that's the villa they filmed Sexy Beast from. It's got the views right across. So let's go and see if we can get a better look. That's a better view of it. So that's the villa. Ray Winston, Ben Kingsley, the swimming pool, the rock coming down the mountain. Now remember this bit?
Leave the table, lie on your pool like a fat blob laughing at me. Do you think I'm gonna have that?
What's the worst scenario? He's gonna come here, ask me, I'm gonna say no.
And that was all filmed here in Agua Amarga. Let's have a little walk around the village. While I'm walking around, I've put the drone up. I hope it's come out. If I don't put the drone up, you know it was crap. It's very windy and a lot of high velocity wind warnings coming up. I really don't know how it's come up. So let's have a look.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Have a little walk through the village. It's stunning. As you know, most of everything in Spain is whitewashed. To give that, I don't know, it's just such a good feeling seeing it all. Every little road coming off, coming down will lead to the sea, the beach. This is the main square. I said it was small here. Everyone's stopping. It's lunchtime. So they all be having their menu del dias. We will stop and have one, but I'd like to have one on the beach. Hola, ¿qué tal? Bien. Come back round here onto the beach, and this will lead us back up to the square. Everywhere here, everywhere in Spain, bougainvilleas, 100 different colours, shades, everything. Absolutely stunning out here. Yeah, we'll go through here onto the beach where it's going to be even more windy. Hello. And as you can see by the sea crashing in. It's it's a nice little beach. It's enough. It's a very small place. Not many people know about Agua Amarga. So we'll walk along. There is a lovely little restaurant down at Chironquita. That's what they call the beach restaurants, beach bars. We'll go down to the corner, show you a little bit there, and then a bit of menu del dia. Let's have a look. And also the scenic views out here along the coastline are stunning. Right, we've ordered this pollo con ajillo, which is chicken with garlic sauce, with potatoes fritos, chips. We got a 2-bar beer, and they are very busy in here. And the views are fantastic. So while I'm eating this, pop up Kev is going to show you over there, hopefully around the cave houses. They're not habitable at the moment, or now, the last 2,000 years, but we'll try and get a closer look over there while I'm eating this. So I'll get back to you shortly. Okay, I've had my orders. Pop up Kev here. Got to try and get up there and show you up there. Let's see if we can scramble up. You sure you want me to? Yes, get up there. Alright. Well, I'll see you up there. I won't be holding this trying to scramble. Well, here we are. And some caves. So, we have lounge. Possibly the bedroom. It's a 2-bedroom. The one thing you do have from these is an absolute stunning view. Beautiful. The one thing it also does show you was the Spanish, I don't know, hundreds of thousands of years ago, or last week, were not very tall. But I'm sure that you could buy one of these, do it up, come out in the morning, sit on here and just look out there with a nice cup of coffee, some toast, and pretty much enjoy life. So there's some old caves. Let's get back to Kev, who's having his lunch while I'm doing all this. It's not fair. Pop up Kev. See you later. Okay, that was very nice. It was nice. I enjoyed it. But, always a but. To me, living in Thailand, prices are very different. It came to €13.50. That's €11 for chicken and chips in garlic sauce, and €2.50 for a small glass of beer. That is €13.50, £11.90, US dollars, $16.30, Thai baht, 516 baht, Australian dollars, 21.60. I would expect to pay for that in Thailand $2.40 maximum. 515.95 baht. Can't wait to get back to Thailand. I really can't. It's killing me here. Anyway, let's get out. Well, that's it. A little show around Agua Amarga. I hope you've liked it. It really is a beautiful area. Nothing left. Not on me. Restaurants had that. So anyway, I hope you've liked it. If you have, give us a thumbs up, a like, a share, and subscribe. Why not? You know you don't have to. Ray Winston, if you're watching this, please subscribe. Be a pal, be a mate, and hey, maybe join my Facebook group. Why not? Be nice to see you there. Anyway, thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.